Hi, today in front of me HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the more connections section. Here you will see the NFC option. Just tap on it and click on the switcher to activate NFC or to turn it off. So also we got one more way how we can turn it on or turn it off. First open the control panel. To add NFC option, hit here, click to this edit icon, hold and drag NFC icon to our panel, click to done, and now just by click to the NFC icon we can turn it on or turn it off. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.